Thả bàn. Hello.
Hello, Huyen.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm very happy.
Who's with you? Is that your sister?
No, it's my friends.
Wow, you have friends who visit you in your house?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So now, Huyen, we will start the lesson, okay? So how are you today? How are you today?
Hi, thanks.
Oh, you're doing great today. What did you do? What did you play? What did you play, Huyen?
Not play.
I mean, what did you play? You play in the house? You play inside the house?
Not play. No play.
Ah, you're not playing. Okay, Huyen. Huyen. Teacher is dancing again. Yeah. Okay. That's good to hear. Oh, you look beautiful today. Wow. Oh, yeah. I love your, what's this? Yeah. Okay, your hairband. Okay, I love it. Wow. Super nice. Yeah. Okay.
What?
Now, we have here, Huyen, our lesson about Unit 31. It's about coming and going. Okay. Look up here. So, what is this?
This is a bag.
Okay, what is bike? Do you understand? Do you know what is bike? You know?
Yes.
Do you know how to drive a bike?
Yes.
Oh, wow, really? You drive a bike?
Yes.
But teacher also drives a bike. I know how to drive a bike.
I go ride a bike. Go to the school.
Oh yeah, I ride a bike.
Motorbike.
Yeah, motorbike. You know what is motorbike? Yeah, motorbike. You know what is motorbike? Motorbike, you know what is motorbike? Yeah, you know that. Okay, exactly. And this is a? This is a car. Yeah, it's a car. Next.
My house have car.
Yeah, of course. What's this? Lorry.
Lorry.
It's a lorry. Have you seen a lorry?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And it's a truck. It's a truck. A lorry could be a truck. What's this?
Plane.
It's a helicopter. It's not a plane. Looks like a plane.
Helicopter.
Yeah, it's helicopter. Yes.
Helicopter.
Next is now. Look at the pictures, Huyen. Look at the letters and write the words. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you have here, can you see this one? What is this? There is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Huyen, we have numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, please tell me what is the correct answer for this. You look at the pictures first. You look at the picture first. Tell me if, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, are you done? Okay, for number 1, Huyen, what is your answer? For number 1, you tell teacher Ann what is your answer? Yeah, what is your answer for number 1? Please tell me.
Bike.
Bike. Let's see, Huyen. Very good. Number 2, Huyen.
Ngửa tay rồi hả?
Number 2, look at pictures.
Planes.
Plane. Very good. Number 3. What's that? What's number 3?
Lorry.
Lorry, teacher. And number 4. What's number 4?
Motorbike.
Motorbike. Very good. What's number 5?
Bike. Helicopter.
Helicopter. Very good. Yay. Now here, look at this one. Okay. Look at, can you read this one? Huyen, can you read this? This is
was my love flying, riding a driver.
very good. This is Sue's smile. She loves flying. It's flying, riding, and driving. Okay, this is Sue.
Flying.
Okay. Flying, of course, driving, and riding. Next. Okay. What? Okay, Huyen. You answer this one.
What's she
What
flying?
she's flying? What is she flying? Okay. What is she flying? So it's flying what?
Sure. Sure.
No. What is she flying? On what is Sue flying? What is this? This is
This is a
flying.
What does she fly?
Okay, what she's flying? She's flying what is this? Number 5, what is this?
Flying a kite.
Oh, a
She's
kite?
flying a helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter, not kite. Okay. Now, what does Sue drive? She drive
Drive a car.
A car? Here, Sue. Look at Sue. She drive a
Driving. Helicopter.
Helicopter again. What does Sue ride?
Riding a helicopter.
Helicopter. Very good. Look at this one. A car, a helicopter. Oh, we have choices. First, Sue's smile drives her a car or a lorry. Okay, look at this one. Huyen, look at the teacher. First, Sue's smile drives her a car or a lorry. When we say, Huyen, when we say drives, okay, when we say the word drives, it could be a car or a lorry. Again, when we say drive, it could be a car or a lorry. A car and a lorry. Okay. When we say drive, okay? When we say fly, she flies her. What will fly? What will fly? Helicopter and?
Helicopter and plane.
Plane, yeah. When we say ride, okay, Huyen, when we say ride, it's a bike and a motorbike. Okay. Okay, again. So when we say, you will say, look up, teacher. You will say, Huyen. Sample this one. I drive a car. Okay, look at that one. I drive a car. Here. I drive a car. Okay.
I drive a lorry.
Very good. I drive a lorry. Okay. Do you understand this? You will use drive for car and lorry. How about plane? What will you say, Huyen?
Yes.
I
fly a helicopter.
Very good. What else? I fly
a plane.
Very good, Huyen girl. Next one here. How about ride? How about ride? What is ride?
Ride a bike. I ride a motorbike.
Okay. Do you understand this, Huyen? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Yay. Oh, what makes you laugh? You keep on laughing. Why? What happened, Huyen? What happened? Why you keep on laughing? Okay. Do you understand this, Huyen? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, again, when you say drive, it's for the car and lorry. Remember that one, Huyen? When you say flies, it's for helicopter and a plane. Okay? Okay. When you say ride, it's for a bike and a motorbike. Okay, Huyen? Huyen.
Okay.
Okay, next. Here, look at this one. Oh, here. Look at picture. Take note. We have here present simple. Okay. I will note here the present simple. Okay. I, you, we, they are plural. Huyen?
Plural.
They are plural. It means they are many. Okay. Plural. When you can see I, you, we, and they are plural. Okay. When you say, or when you can see she, he, it, they are singular.
Singular.
Or only one. Singular. Okay. Okay. They are singular. Okay. Do you understand this? You understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, next here. Okay, look at this one. Look at the example, Huyen. Look at, love playing football. Again, I love playing football. Okay, can you see that one?
Playing football.
Okay, I love playing football.
Right.
Okay, you understand? You understand, Huyen? You understand? Okay, I love playing football. Okay, that's it. I love playing football. That's it. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
I love playing the guitar.
Okay,
yes,
look at this one. Look at Huyen. Teacher, what is this? V and ing. What is this? This V is the verb. This is the verb. And you will add ing. Again, play is the verb and you will put ing. Huyen, look at here. This verb, it's play, ing. Look at that one. That is Play is the verb. And you put ing, it becomes playing. Do you understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Huyen. Okay. Okay, now here. Okay, for now, look at this one. Okay, what color is the plane? What is the color
Pink.
of the plane? Okay, it's
Pink.
okay. Its color its color pink. What is green? What is green, Huyen?
Is motorbike.
It is a motorbike. Okay. What's behind the plane? What's behind the plane? This one.
Car.
It's a car. Okay, very good, Huyen. Okay, now, how do you come and go? How would you like to come and go? Okay, first, how do you come to school, Huyen? How do you come to school?
I go to school by motorbike and bike.
Okay, how do you come to school? I go to school by motorbike. Okay, okay, very good here, Huyen. Look at, how do you come to school, Huyen? I go to school. Again, Huyen, how do you come to school?
I go to school by motorbike and bike.
Okay, where do you walk? Where do you walk?
I walk to
I walk to
hospital.
Hospital. What would you like to do? Okay, what would you like to do, Huyen? I'd like to.
I'd like to drive.
Okay, you pick one. You pick one. You pick one. What would you like to do?
I'd like to bicycle.
Okay, I'd like to ride a bicycle. Okay. Okay. I like to ride a bicycle. Okay, next. Okay, very good. How do you come and go? How do you come and go here? Look at this one. What would you like to drive? What would you like to drive? I'd like to drive.
I'd like to drive motorbike.
Motorbike. Okay. What would you like to fly? I'd like
helicopter.
Helicopter. What would you like to ride?
I ride a car.
Oh, no. What would you like to ride? It could be motorbike or bike. Bike. No, no. What would you like to ride? First, Huyen, let's repeat. First, what would you like to drive? Car or lorry?
Ride car.
Okay. What would you like to fly? I'd like
helicopter.
Okay, again, I'd like to fly. Again, complete, Huyen.
I'd like to fly helicopter.
What would you like to ride?
I'd like to ride a bike.
A bike. Okay, next. Very good. Now, listen and let us color the smiles. Okay. What do you think is Sue's surname? Sue's surname is Smile. That is her name is Su, smile. Okay. Can you find the 7 smiles in the picture? Can you find the 7 smiles in the picture? Can you find it, Huyen? Can you find the 7 smile in the picture?
Yes.
Okay, where is it?
Okay.
Where is the 7 smile?
Where is no.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are the 7 smile? Can you give me the 7 smiles? 1. Look at this one. 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where are the others? 4.
5.
Where is it other? 4, 5.
5.
Where are the others, Huyen? Help me find. 6.
No. 6.
Okay, let's
1,
see.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Can you count? Oh, sorry. Can you count the smile? Okay, you count now. 1. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5,
5.
6.
Where's that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the other one? I need 1 smile. Ah, it's here. It's here. This one. There's only 1 smile. I have only 6 smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the other smile? It's in here, I guess. This one, the small one. Look at the car. In the car, there is a small smile. Can you see that? Okay, yes. Can you see that? Okay. Next is, which smile is blue? Which smile is blue?
The smile is on the photo. Okay.
It's in the color blue. What's the color blue smile? It's in the car. Oh, it's in the car. The blue smile is in the car. Can you see that, Huyen? Okay. The smile is in the balloon. Yeah, it's in the balloon. Yeah, it's in the balloon smile. Huyen, by the way, Huyen, listen to teacher. When the Zoom was stopped, you come into teacher again, okay? When the Zoom stopped, this one, the Zoom stopped, you come in. Okay? Yeah, because the Zoom just, the Zoom is not working properly now. So when the Zoom, when teacher is out, you come in again, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, later. Because we all have 4.17. So when the Zoom is out, when the Zoom stopped and teacher stopped, that's done, you have to come in again. Join the meeting again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Later. Okay. Not yet.